Hello and welcome back to the Commodore 64. So today I've changed the way I'm doing things on here. I'm going to try and do one game every day. So today's game is Battle Valley. So I'll be about 10 to 20 minutes on this game, depending on how I get into it, what the game's like. Obviously if I get bored then it's only 10 minutes, but if it's a good game I'll do a little bit longer. So see how it goes. So this is called Battle Valley. Not sure whether I like the flashy thing. Hopefully that stops. Epilepsy is right. Oh, hang on. Stop. Okay. So I'm a tank. Figured that out so far. Oh, come on, can I turn around? Oh my god. You won't let me turn around. I have no idea how to turn around. I have no idea how to turn around or stop or anything. Maybe I've got to go this way. Maybe you can't control which direction you go, kind of thing. It's a bit odd the way he drives. So, right. Let's try that again. Let's do this way this time. So I was a bit it says that I got rockets. How do I do the rockets? If I hold the stick then I can get fast like that. Just learning the controls at the moment, but it don't really let you go backwards and forwards. Obviously when you stop then you can change direction, but you can't change direction unless you've stopped, like unless you've faced forward. It's a bit weird. So now I've stopped talking this way. But it says I've got rockets. I would love to figure out how my rockets work. Right. I've got other buttons here. Let's have a... I don't think that's going to tell me much, but no. It does say I've got rockets. If you look at the bottom of the screen, it says I've got 50 rockets and 40 shells. I'm using the shells, but I'm not using the rockets, so I'm not. And I've got no other buttons because this is the Commodore 64. You've only got one button. Obviously, you got the keyboard as well, but with this Commodore 64 Mini, the keyboard don't actually work. It's just decoration. So if there was something in the olden days where you had to use the keyboard, then I can't do it on this mini version. unfortunately. Oh no. Oh, I need to go back. It's a bit crazy because I can't actually use my rockets. Otherwise, it would be a better game. The fact that it says rock. Oh, okay. I'm interested. Oh, so maybe you can go back and get the helicopter when. That's what the rockets are for, look. Right. Oh, down under that. Okay. I'm intrigued now. I'll have the helicopter again. That was cool. So when you're at the start, you can choose which vehicle. I didn't know that. Oh, wait. Right. Time has run out. The water's begun. Because destroys civilization as a firestorm engulfs the world. Blah, 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 blah. Enter your name. And it won't let me enter my name. I'm pressing all the buttons. What's going on? I think it's trying to get me to do the keyboard. Virtual. That'll do. And then it's that one. There you go. So let's try again. Let's have a little go at this. So let's start off with the tank and take out all the ground stuff, the ground enemies. So I've got light damage. Oh, I'm trying to stay in the centre of the screen so I can see things coming, because it's a bit annoying sometimes. You get hit even though you can't see the enemy. Oh, okay. So if you double tap, then you can change direction like that. I was trying to figure out earlier how to change direction. So yeah, if you double tap the button, that's how you change direction. We get that guy there. Right. Oh, I was trying to kill him off. Right. So now I'll take the helicopter. We'll try to take some of these guys out. obviously the helicopter can get the higher people, the higher enemies, but obviously you can get shot down. Nice little drive. Oh. Oh. Not what I wanted to do. Anyway. Did you get some ammo? I don't know how that works either. It's a nice little game, to be fair. It's just obviously you gotta get used to it, same as everything else. No. I did try and stop the duel. I was like, oh god. So let's try this way. And then we'll end it then. Last bit. So now I've got to go back the other way. No. You got me right there. Right. So we'll end it there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.